Hi, I'm Punita, managing partner and co-founder of Translumina, and very proud to be part of NIC 2023. Translumina is an organization. We have flagship products like Vivo ESAR and ESAR Summit. These are the drug-eluting stents with which we have more than 10 years of data which is published. So Translumina as an organization, we've always believed in evidence-based practice and the products which had a lot of clinical data. This NIC, we are launching 3 new modalities. One is ASIST, high-dimensional, high HD HYBIZ system. We are also launching our new C2 Plus, which is the Shockwave's new catheter, which is with more 120 pulses. We are also launching our new OpSense, the fraction flow wires. That is something which is very, very new to the country. Another very big acquisition which Translumina has closed a day before is we've just acquired another company, Blue Medical, which is into drug-eluting balloons along with other technologies. So we would be showcasing that here. Very, very proud and happy to be a part of NIC. Just look at the enthusiasm around, and I wish grand success to the meeting, and would like people to come and see the technologies at our training village and Mubila and Abu. Thank you so much.
Myself, Indranil Mukherjee, the Group CEO for Translumina for the global business. Pleasure to be here at the NIC meet. I think it's one of the most important meets for the intervention cardiology fraternity. And it's a pleasure to be here and present our portfolio, which helps clinicians meet diverse needs while addressing a patient. What we bring along is our stents and of course a vast range of accessories, disruptive technologies like Shockwave, heart pump from Aviomed. We are also using this conference to launch our HYBIZ from ASIST and also FFR from OpSense, 2 technologies in addition to what we already distribute. And we are also looking forward, we recently acquired a drug-coated balloon. So again, broadening the portfolio not just in India but worldwide. And looking forward to the presentation tomorrow, which hopefully should once again corroborate our standing in the marketplace as the challenger in terms of number 2. Of course, we don't know the results yet, but eagerly looking forward to that. Wishing all the respected doctors hearty wishes and a productive and a fruitful conference. Thank you once again.